Here are some important rules to keep in mind when speaking English. Pronunciation: try to pronounce words as clearly and accurately as possible. Listen to how native speakers say words and try to imitate their pronunciation. Vocabulary: use a range of vocabulary appropriate to the context of the conversation. Use simple words when talking to beginners and more advanced words when talking to advanced speakers. Grammar: use proper grammar to convey meaning effectively. Use appropriate verb tense, subject-verb agreement, and word order to create meaningful sentences. Confidence: be confident when speaking English, even if you make mistakes. Confidence can help you overcome nervousness and help you speak fluently. Listening: listening is an important part of speaking English. Listen carefully to what the other person is saying, and ask for clarification if you don't understand something. Practice: practice speaking English as much as possible, even if it's just by yourself. Practice your pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar skills, and try to speak English every day. Remember that the most important thing when speaking English is to communicate effectively. Don't worry too much about making mistakes or using perfect grammar. Just focus on getting your message across in a clear and understandable way.